Hello everyone, and today we can see that on my table is a DeWalt impact rival DCF887, and basically it's working and it's a nice brushless model. But we have problem for this one, the bit holder. Of course I will check if it's hammers or not. Okay, it hammers, so that's a good sign. That means we need to fix the check holder, and probably it will be the spring problem. I have a couple repair kits here. So one of the repair kit, we have the small spring, the big spring, the washer, the holding ring, and so on. Okay, so first of all we need to remove the holding ring, and I have very good hooks for this one, but we can try to do that with the screwdriver. As you can see, the spring ring is removed, then goes the sleeve. Of course we have the spring here, and what is missing here, this part is good, as we have the ball here, the spring here, we have the sleeve here. I can clean it a little bit, but this time we don't have the spring inside, and we don't have the washer. Just taking it from the kit, and okay, we can see that we need a spring here, we need a washer here, and of course our spring ring need to get back. Now we can feel the tension of the spring. Okay, looks better now. Okay, still not hold, so what we will try to do, we will try to disassemble it and check the spring, the bottom spring. And I'm holding it carefully to not get everything popped out, because it's a spring tension here. Now the spring ring got under the washer. The spring ring popped out, the washer here, and now we have this sleeve. I will try to take out this spring, and you can see that the pole here was under the spring. It must be on the top. And as you can see, it just falls under the spring. That's not good for us. We'll try installing the new ball. Now we can see that the ball is on a spring, so we can try to assemble it again. And yeah, but now it's fixed. Yep, it's okay. You can try to insert the anvil here and check if this can hold it. Okay, this it's not okay. Now it's holding. Okay, now as we can see, the ball bearing is on the spring. We can mount the sleeve here and hope that everything will be good. Then inserting the spring, the washer, press the washer a little bit down. Now we have the spring ring. Just trying to hold everything, do not pop all the parts out. The spring ring looks a little bit big for me here. But okay, we can still try and test it. Okay, still not getting it. And as it the spring ring popped out when I tested it, so I have put the new spring ring and now it's good. So that's all.